It's a free 1000 account for you to start trading with, and you'll be getting rewards after the completion of the trading. All right, and I am back again with another wonderful opportunity for you, just like I have always been doing. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, comment where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country, and don't forget, hit that subscription button so that you don't miss out when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online in 2025. All right, so like I said earlier, this is a free 1000 account. As you can see right here, I've been able to get mine, and I want to share this opportunity with you. All right, so if you are watching this right now, don't forget to like this video and share it with people that you feel might need it. So without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this wonderful opportunity. And at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the terms and conditions that is going to allow you to be able to withdraw from this opportunity. So let's dive in. All right, so the first step is to register an account with them. All right, you have to register an account with them. So what you have to do right here is to go to the description menu. You'll find the link to where you're going to get this opportunity there. Click on it, and after that, it is going to take you to somewhere like this. And after getting here, all you have to do is to open an account. After clicking on open an account, you have to wait patiently for it to load, and it's going to take you to somewhere like this. All right, so after getting here, you have to input your country, your email, and your password. And after inputting it, click on the agreement button right there and click on register. After clicking on register, it's going to take you to the next stage, which is to verify our email address. All right, as you can see on the screen, you have to verify your email address. So you have to go straight to your email, and you're going to find a message like this. So all you have to do right here is to click on verify email, and after clicking on verify email, it's going to take you to another page, which is going to be telling you that your email has been verified. All right, just like they did for me right here, as you can see on the screen. All right, so after this, you have to log into your account to proceed to the next stage. All right, so just click on login right here, click on login, and it's going to take you straight to their home page. All right, just like this. And after getting to their home page, you have to verify your account. All right, as you can see on the screen right here, you can see verify now. Right. All right, so click on the verify now, and it's going to take you to the place where you're going to verify. And after verifying, their verification does not take long. It's just for a few minutes, and after verification, you are going to return to their home page. All right, just like they've directed me back to the home page right here. And after doing this, next step is to be a part of this wonderful opportunity. So all you just have to do right here is to click on these three men right here at the top. Click on it, and it's going to bring something that will pop up just like this. And after that, click on competition. After clicking on competition, click on demo. Click on demo, and after clicking on demo, scroll down until you see 4th of March to 11th of March, and then click on it and click on join demo, and set a password that you're going to use to log into your MT5. After setting it, click on agree and click on save. As you can see, you have successfully joined the competition. Now the next step is to go to your Gmail and check the message they sent to you. Right, so this is the message I got from them containing my login ID, and all I have to do is to head over to MT5 and log into my account. All right, so click on the plus button, paste your login ID and the password you used to register, and boom, your $1000 free dollars to trade is right there, as you can see right here. So you can now start trading. All right, and concerning the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this wonderful opportunity, I'll drop in the description in my Telegram channel. The link to join my Telegram channel is right in the description menu. Click on it, it's going to take right there, and you find how to be able to withdraw. The terms and conditions, you get it right there. Right, so I'll see you on the channel, and thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.